The before picture of my workspace. A cluttered desk and the wall of opportunity. It came with 2 of these. Didn't have a choice. 2 or nothing. These boards are from Uline and they are sold in packs of 2, and they are 2 feet by 4 feet, which works out perfectly for this space. Okay, so we found the studs in the wall and then we drilled holes in the board accordingly. So now we're going to hang the board up with the holes in the studs, and then we will use 2 more screws at the bottom on each side, 1 more on each side. Now that we have the first board hung up, we took the second board and drew a line right down the middle of it using the level so it's nice and straight. And we're going to make 2 even pieces to hang above the large board that we already have installed. We're using a skill saw to cut it in half, and you are definitely going to need a thin blade, a finishing blade for that. So beautiful, perfect size. The only thing is it's going to be a little too long for the wall, so we need to cut one of these slats off. Voila! And there it is! The wall of possibilities! And there's the man of the hour! Woo! Do I have the best boyfriend in the world? Yes, I do. Do I have this amazing bead wall? Yes, I do.